get you where I want it. Niggas sweep it, poppin', cut them vessels down and bury niggas running, casket over down the road, the niggas running, niggas ain't gifted like blade shift, the muscles piling penny dozens, riding off the muscle, cutting through the hustle. Nah, the God is beyond that. Levitating and spliffing the God's crack. Culminating the jiff, it's a blind bet. Perpetrating the streets, I be gone bad. Niggas ain't willing my shit cause I gone mad. You fucking with death on a long neck. You fucking with death on a long break. Constipating on death, I be gone mad. Where them niggas who claiming they can ride on the beat. My rhyming impeccable, cutting the clips. I matter it twice. Hooking you rappers and maybe I never release until you get it alright. Right off the brand, then I harness the anger on rappers, the temper inflicting it tight. Shine on the mic with incredible lines, then I pamper you baby, then I kinda like shut on my neck. Shit, I be gunning the rappers in vain. Ha! Slitting it up like a rimbus and tucks. I be gunning you rappers like niggas ain't gifted love son. Buddy, you rappers in fairness is claiming you ripping and staying. Deliver it hot. I'm mad at you roaches and claiming inspectors and claiming. Fucking you rappers and claiming the G. Deliver the beef. Run of the beef.